In this short video, we're going to show you how to embed the InkSoft Design Studio. Now, the purpose of embedding the Design Studio is to copy some code that InkSoft will produce, and you can place that onto a web page where you want the Design Studio to load. So this is really useful for those of you that want to build a custom website, but you want to use the InkSoft Design Studio on that custom site. So let's kind of work backwards. I'm going to show you an example of what the Design Studio looks like as it's embedded. So here we are at inksoft.com, and this is just an example of how you could take a corporate website or a custom website and embed the Design Studio, and it is fully functional. So we actually designed the Design Studio to sort of behave like its own dedicated web app. Now, if you navigate to this link, and we're going to put that right below this video in the step-by-step guide to accompany this video, you'll notice that there is a snippet of code that you can grab, and that's an example of the Design Studio embed code. Now let's show you how to actually generate your own embed code for your InkSoft-powered website. So what we're going to do is log into the InkSoft admin portal, and what we're going to do is click Web Stores. Now, from Web Stores, you can navigate to the web store you wish to generate the Design Studio embed code for. So it's actually possible to grab the embed code from any of your stores, provided that the Design Studio is active and available for that specific store. Now you can navigate to the desired store by clicking Edit This Store, the button that follows the right of the store name. In this case, I happen to be at my main InkSoft website, so what I'm going to do is click the Advanced drop-down from the left-hand side, and then I'm going to select Embed Design Studio. And of course, that's going to allow me to configure the options for the Design Studio. So here in the very first accordion, you can enable or disable specific features. Perhaps you don't want the ability for your customers to upload art, or you want to turn off distressed overlays. You can go ahead and disable specific function you do not want to display in the embed. Now you can go to the next section, which is the ability to customize the defaults when your customer goes to the Design Studio, meaning you can choose the default product and color that will load, you can choose a default design to load, or you can choose to load a specific piece of clip art. So typically the most useful thing here is loading a default product and making the decision in terms of what your clients are greeted with when they go to the Design Studio for the first session. Now the last accordion, if I expand that, that's going to allow me to copy this code. So if you click into this box, notice the entire snippet of code is copied. So just copy that to your clipboard. And of course, now you can paste that or place it and position it on the dedicated website, or web page rather, where you want the Design Studio to load. So a quick note in terms of technicals, the Design Studio is 984 pixels wide. So when designing a custom page or site, make sure to keep in consideration the maximum width of the Design Studio. Now, if you have any questions or you need assistance in terms of embedding the Design Studio, please reach out to the InkSoft support team.